Hello, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I want to show you how to download and install the Disney Plus Hotstar application without the Android Play Store. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So I'm going to install this application without Google Play Store on my Android TV. What I'm going to use is just my browser. This can work with any browser. So try it on your browser. What is simple, go over to your browser and in the search box, you're going to type in the name of the application, which is Disney Plus Hotstar. So I'm not going to type in because for there with my suggestion here. But in your case, please type in the whole sentence Disney Plus Hotstar app. So the first option, which is this, doesn't work. Now if I click on this, see this item isn't available in my country. It says not available in my country right now. So if it's available in your country, it might work for you. So just make sure to try it. It's available in Southeast Asia. So make sure to try it if you're from a country that application is available. But if for some reason the application is not available there or is not compatible, they can come over here and use this other third-party option. So just click on this option and it's going to bring you to this website, the Disney Hotstar, and you can install the application from here to your Android TV with this application. But for me, the safest option is using the web version of Google Play Store because sometimes these third-party options are not the best solutions. But if you're using third-party options, make sure to use a VPN on your Android TV. But the best option is using your Google Play Store on a web version.